In this video, I'm going to show you how to add emojis and symbols to channel names on Discord. So right here, I have the general channel. So what you want to do is tap and hold, and then you have to go to edit channel, then click on the channel name. Then I'm going to add at the very beginning. So I'm going to click here. Then you're going to find this button, click on it. And then if you want to add an emoji, click on emoji. Then here you can choose from whatever emoji you want, or if you want to add a symbol, so you can scroll here, go to the symbols, and then here you can see all types of symbols. Let's say I want to add this symbol, heart symbol, and then you can just click save, and just like that you have added an emoji or symbol to your channel name. That's it for the video, and thanks for watching.